Ever wanted to see your screams? Or maybe challenge yourself to stay completely silent? Meet Screamo-Meter, the ultimate voice-reactive tool that transforms your volume into a live visualization. But that's not all. When your volume peaks, a sound effect is triggered, and the death counter tracks how many times you've hit the limit. Can you keep your cool? And the best part? You can use it as a browser source in OBS, making it perfect for live streaming, reaction videos, or just having fun. Let's take a closer look. Step 1. Open the webpage. Link in the description. Step 2. Click Start Listening. Make sure to allow your browser access to your microphone. Step 3. Watch as your voice transforms. The app listens in real time and displays an emoji reaction based on your volume level. Adjust sensitivity. Fine-tune the app to match your voice intensity. Pick your visualization and audio style. Choose different emoji reactions and sound effects to match your vibe. Enable Death Counter. Want to track your loudest moments? Just click Show and your scream count appears. Once everything is set up the way you like it, copy the URL from this Screamo-Meter page, open OBS, add a new browser source, and paste the link. Adjust size easily by tweaking the width and height settings. Do not forget to activate Control Audio via OBS, that you are able to use the audio from the app within OBS. Tip: if you want to hear the audio for yourself, you can set the audio monitoring to monitoring and output. Important: due to browser security settings, the web page must stay open for the app to run smoothly. Do not minimize it. Keep it on a second screen or directly behind OBS for the best experience. Ready to test your voice? Head over to Screamo-Meter and start using it for free. Let us know in the comments how high your death counter gets, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome content. Scream louder, stream smarter. See you in the next one.